All right, so I ordered the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, that's a mouthful, in the Hazel color. In the unboxing, get a quick message in with the new, out with the old. And then here we have that Google Pixel 9 Pro XL in Hazel. Really like the new packaging here. Really solid packaging. Removing the tabs from the back will release the actual box. Removing the box, you have the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which we'll set aside for now. And then in the box, you're going to get a USB-C cable. And then also on the other side, inverse side of the box, you're going to get your documentation and a SIM ejector tool all in the box. Removing the paper now from the Pro 9 XL. It looks really great in Hazel. Honestly, I was a little bit hesitant on this and then porcelain, but I'm really glad that I purchased this one. Just the shiny metallic rails all around the Pixel 9 Pro XL look really solid in Hazel. The colorway in all different lighting here. Yeah, it just looks really solid. It's very shiny. The rails actually remind me of the iPhone 14 Pro series, but it looks really good. As you can see there, the color of the visor matches, it looks like the back quite well. That visor is pretty big though. So just to note, the visor here is pretty large. This is in comparison to the Pixel 8a, which has a pretty minimal visor there, but you can see the size difference here of the Pixel 8a compared to the 9 Pro XL here. It's pretty sizable difference, but I'm looking forward to switching from that 8a to this Pixel 9 Pro XL. Let me know your thoughts, of course, on the Pixel 9 Pro here. And did you pick one up? Did you order one? Did you order a Pixel 9 series device, maybe the Pixel Fold? I'm going to boot this up and get it all set up. I'm going to use this as my main device. So I'm going to be switching my SIM from that Pixel 8a that I mentioned here and compared it to, and give you all my thoughts on using this Pixel 9 Pro XL over the next few weeks here. Really looking forward to diving into some of Gemini's new features, the cameras here on this device. But what are some things that you would like me to test out in a full review using this device? I've had a lot of questions in the past on various Google Pixel devices, and I wanted to take the opportunity to further connect with the community here and ask you, what would you like to see in a full review of this device specifically, so I could put it through its full paces and test it all out and give you my overall thoughts on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL series device here. Again, really liking the build right out of the unboxing. The hazel color I think looks phenomenal, but of course, let me know your thoughts in those comments down below. I look forward to reviewing this device. Oh, that visor is just massive, but it looks great overall, and I'm looking forward to diving in, as I mentioned. But again, as always, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.